So if you want to know how to exactly start using the Gov UK ID Check app, well, it's pretty simple to use. So typically, you just need to read the information that is available there, if you want to do something specifically. So first things first is you want to install the app. So you want to open up Google Play Store, search for Gov UK ID Check, and install this on your mobile device. Let's go and click on Open since we already have this installed. Now from here, it's going to say help improve the app by sharing analytics. So you can go and click on continue to make sure of your choice. Let's go and click on continue here. Go and click on allow or don't allow. Now from here, you have the Gov UK ID check. So this app uses open source software, so view the open source license. But let's go and click on continue here. And it should basically open up a new window. As you can see here now, it's going to ask you to link this app to the Gov UK. So this is the first thing that you need to do is you need to link your account. So let's go and click on link app to continue. It's going to open up the app. It's going to say, did you start on the computer or a tablet? Let's go and choose, since we started on a tablet here, let's go and choose, yes, I started on a computer or tablet. Or basically, you could go and choose the no, I started on this phone. So depending on how you proceeded with the process. But again, I've started from this phone. I'm going to finish this in my phone. Let's go and click on continue. Now it's going to say, you will need to do the following. So first is you want to go to your browser, which has the download the gov.uk ID check app page open, and you want to go and just scroll to the link gov.uk ID check section and tap the link gov.uk ID check button. So if you need help linking this app, you can go and just click on the find more guidance in the UK, and basically this will explain to you what you need to do. So if you're using a small phone here, if you sign in to GovUK one log in on your phone, you can go and just follow the following steps here. So basically, it will also ask you to scan your ID, as you can see right now. So if you're using a password, you can go ahead and just read further into this as well. But if you're choosing the first option here where that says, yes, I started on a computer or tablet, you go and just press this one and click on continue. And from here, it's now going to basically give you different instructions. Again, it depends on how you started. So have your first is you want to have your computer or tablet ready, and the Gov UK window open. So you want to scroll down to the you may need to use a second QR code to link the app section, and also you need to scan the QR code with your phone to automatically link the and reopen the Gov UK ID check app. So if you already have like the Gov UK window or website open or the website that they're talking about in here, you need to scan a QR code. So you can go and just click on scan QR code here, click on while using the app, and from here you can go and just scan the QR code that you're currently seeing. But yeah, so typically speaking, you just need to follow the on-screen steps that you are going to see there in order for you to link your account, in order for you to start using it. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.